Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Before we dive into today's exciting topic, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more life-changing content. Let us know in the comments if you're already practicing manifestation, or if you're new to it, let's share our experiences. Today, we're about to start a journey that could change your life in ways you'd never expect. Are you ready to learn the secrets of making your dreams a reality? Using Neville Goddard's teachings and the law of assumption, we're going to show you a technique that could help you manifest your desires overnight. That's right, overnight. Imagine waking up to see your dreams starting to take shape, whether it's a fulfilling career, a loving relationship, or financial success. Picture it now, you, living the life you've always wanted. How amazing would that feel? As you watch, drop a comment sharing your biggest dream. Let's start this journey with a strong intention. Neville Goddard was a visionary who deeply believed in the human mind's potential. His law of assumption teaches that we shape our reality by believing and feeling as though our desires have already come true. Imagine the power in knowing that your dreams are already yours, waiting for you to claim them. Goddard saw our imagination as a powerful tool that could create anything we desire when used with purpose. Our technique today, the one-night manifestation method, is grounded in these beliefs. By impressing our desires on our subconscious mind, we plant the seeds that lead to their fulfillment. This simple yet powerful approach focuses your mind and harnesses the law of assumption to draw your desires closer than ever. Let's get into the steps of this method. It's all about setting intentions, visualizing and affirming with a touch of faith and a sprinkle of patience. 1. Find a quiet space. Set up a cozy, distraction-free space. This could be your bedroom or a quiet corner where you can relax. Get comfortable, take deep breaths, and let go of any stress or outside distractions. 2. Visualize your desire. Close your eyes and bring your dream to life in your mind. Imagine every little detail, what it looks like, how you feel, who is there, and every little joy that comes with it. Make it feel as real as possible, like it's happening right now. 3. Feel the emotions. Once you've visualized your goal, let yourself feel the emotions that come with achieving it. Whether it's joy, gratitude, or pride, let these emotions sink in. The energy of your emotions acts as a magnet, drawing your desires closer. 4. Repeat your affirmation. Create a short, positive statement that reflects your dream as if it's already true, like, I am successful in my dream job, or I am loved and supported in my relationship. Repeat this affirmation, either silently or aloud, with conviction. Write it down too, and keep it somewhere visible to remind you of your goals daily. 5. Enter the state akin to sleep sat. As you drift into sleep, you reach a relaxed, receptive state where your subconscious is most open to new beliefs. Just before falling asleep, visualize your dream one more time and repeat your affirmation. Say to yourself, "It is done," or "I am grateful for this reality," and allow yourself to feel the emotions again. This state helps imprint your desire onto your subconscious mind, setting the wheels in motion for manifestation. After following these steps, let go of any doubts or worries. Trust that the universe is working behind the scenes to bring your dream to life. Keep an open mind to any signs or opportunities that might cross your path and follow them with faith. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need a bit of motivation. Tell us in the comments which dream you'll manifest tonight. Remember, it's not just about setting the intention, but also sharing and encouraging others on their journey. Finally, if you're ready for practical tips to take your manifestation journey further, check out the link in the description. You'll find tools and resources to guide you as you bring your dreams into reality. Thank you for watching, and remember, you hold the power to create the life you desire.